Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any of your photos into a sketch drawing using an app called Dreamface. It's super easy, completely beginner friendly, and best of all, you can do it for free. Okay, let's get started. First, if you don't already have the app, just go ahead and download Dreamface from the Play Store. And once installed, just open the app and simply log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface also offers a free package that you will get weekly credits and a limited number of daily generations for both images and videos. So yes, you can try this out without spending a cent. Next, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this. And from here, just tap on AI filter, this one. And then inside the new arrival sections, this one, just search for sketch, this one, just tap on it. This is the filter that will turn your regular photo into a pencil style drawing in just one click. Now just select your photo. Just choose any photo that you want, maybe a portrait or even your favorite selfie. And once selected, just hit animate. And okay, like this. As you can see, the Dreamface already transform your photo into a sketch drawing like this. It's super simple, right? So there you have it, your photo turned into a sketch in less than a minute. It's totally free and with no complicated steps. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!